Tú tienes una nueva casa. Bueno, hay una entrada aquí y una entrada abajo, una ventana. Oh, what's that? Oh, okay. Ah, okay. Y una entrada divertido. Y sí, es todo. Y tú puedes sentir seguro. Ciao, Lucio. So Lucio the spider monkey has been kind of timid and doesn't have a good place to hide out in his cage. So we made him a new little house that can go inside his cage. So some of the features, he's got like a kind of fun entrance made out of bamboo. He can play with this, mess with it, destroy it, that's fine. There's another entrance over here with a little flap he can go in. The whole front is this durable upcycled vinyl from the Art Science Museum in Singapore, some old banner they were throwing out. And then so if somehow Lucio gets trapped or caught, or just making it easier for us to clean, we can pull all this up and then rinse it all out. And then he's got like a fun barrel to play around in, and then a little window he can climb up. And then everything just gets attached and all the electronics can go back here. Actually, while we have you here, let's see if we can just rotate it so it's sideways. Mm-hmm. Okay, ready? One. Cool. Okay. Yeah, here, so we can scoot you good space so that you're in the tracks. Cool. Okay, that should be good. Alright, let's see. Nueva casa. Muy feliz. Ah,
Sí, él va a New York cuando él quiere.
sí.
Y ahora muy religioso y todo.